Hey there! I'm so excited to take you on a virtual tour of the most amazing places to visit in France. This country is packed with breathtaking cities, beautiful countryside, and so much more. So, buckle up and let's start exploring. First stop, the City of Love and Lights, Paris. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to the charming streets, this city is full of romance and magic. Make sure to grab a croissant and coffee at a cozy cafe, walk down the Champs-Élysées, and take in the beauty of Notre Dame Cathedral. Up next, we have the bustling port city of Marseille. This city is a cultural melting pot, with a rich history and delicious seafood cuisine. Don't miss visiting the stunning Basilique Notre Dame de la Garde, which offers incredible views of the city. Let's take a break from the city and head to the peaceful countryside of the Loire Valley. This region is famous for its beautiful castles and scenic bike rides along the Loire River. Don't forget to try the local wine and cuisine, and visit the Château de Chambord. Next, we have Normandy, a region with a rich cultural heritage and stunning coastline. Visit the historic town of Bayeux to see the famous Bayeux Tapestry, pay your respects at the American Cemetery in Colville-sur-Mer, and enjoy some delicious cider and cheese. Time to explore the wine country of Bordeaux. This city is famous for its vineyards, world-class wine, and beautiful architecture. Take a wine tasting tour, visit the historic Place des Quinconces, and relax by the Garonne River. Let's go to the charming city of Strasbourg in the Alsace region. This city is full of half-timbered houses, a stunning Gothic cathedral, and a rich cultural heritage. Don't miss visiting the adorable Petite France neighborhood with its picturesque canals and bridges. Last but not least, we have the coastal city of Nice. With its stunning beaches, vibrant cultural scene, and delicious cuisine, this city is a must-visit. Take a stroll along the Promenade des Anglais, visit the Musée d'Art Moderne et d'Art Contemporain, and spend a relaxing day at the beach. And that's a wrap for our tour of the top places to visit in France. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just love exploring new places, France has something for everyone. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you have a fantastic time exploring this incredible country. We hope this video provides you with valuable information and insights. Just a friendly reminder that the information shared are not to be considered professional advice. To make the most informed decision, we recommend double-checking and doing your own research to make sure you have the latest and greatest information. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing travel adventures. Until next time, take care and have a great day. Thanks for watching.